ऐसे महसूस ही नहीं हो रहा है कि भतीजे की शादी हो गई, मेरे दोस्त की शादी हुई, ऐसा लग रहा है। सिमरन बहू नहीं बेटी ज़्यादा है। ऑब्वियसली ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि भाई घर में बहू आई है, ऐसे लगेगा कि घर में और एक बेटी आई है।
मेरे ख्यालों में बस तू गई है।
I feel amazing. Honestly, I think this wedding has been beyond my expectations. I think as a little girl, I always dreamt that my wedding is going to be this big wedding, and there's going to be sparkle and light, and it's just going to be very, very big in size. And when I say that, I mean it in every way, in happiness and love, with all my family members, with all my friends, and to actually see that happening, I think it's very rare that people get to experience a wedding like this, and to actually call it my own is such a big blessing. So I think the feeling that I'm feeling is just, I feel unreal, I feel extraordinary, I feel full of life. I just feel very happy.
तू मेरी साहिबा, तुझ पे कुर्बान, तू मेरी साहिबा, तुझ पे कुर्बान, तू मेरी साहिबा, तू मेरी साहिबा, तुझ पे कुर्बान, तुझ पे कुर्बान, तू मेरी साहिबा, तू मेरी साहिबा, तुझ पे कुर्बान, तुझ पे कुर्बान।
Love is the feeling of happiness when you're around that person. You feel happy. After a long day at work or after a hectic day, it's just when I end my day around her, it's like, suddenly the moment she walks into the room, all my problems will go away, all work stress disappears, everything disappears. And she brings comfort to me.
दास्तां में हूँ शामिल, हूँ फना तेरे इश्क पर। है तू मेरी साहिबा, है तू मेरी साहिबा, दिल तुझे पे कुर्बान, दिल तुझे पे कुर्बान, है तू मेरी साहिबा, है तू मेरी साहिबा, दिल तुझे पे कुर्बान, दिल तुझे पे कुर्बान, है तू मेरी साहिबा।
In a year or two's time, I've seen dramatic change in him. He's grown beyond his age. It's Simran only, I think. It's so much necessary if you have a right partner who can really put her foot down when something is wrong and guide you for something good. So I think they are very well together and understand each other very well.
अच्छी जोड़ी है दोनों की. बोथ हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अमंग देमसेल्फ. बोथ आर लविंग, केयरिंग. इसी से हमको खुशी होती है.
Simran is not his wife only. She is his best friend. They are always together.
go out together, have a nice time together. I believe he stopped meeting his friends. The only friend he has now goes to the movies with her, goes out, goes to outing every time. They'll be very happy together. And if they are happy, I'm happy. I would like to thank my guests very much. They took their time off from the hectic schedule, came here, had a blast, supported us, enjoyed with us, partied with us. And thank you to all. Thank you so much.
Very overwhelmed, but at the same time very satisfied with all the arrangements and everything going so smoothly. So a wonderful feeling as a mother.
Oh yes, दामाद जी आइए आइए.
ഇനി ദൂരം അതിവേഗം അകലങ്ങൾ അറിയാതെ ഇനിയെന്നും തുണയായി തരണങ്ങൾ വഴിനീളെ
The whole thing boils down to that I am there for her, for now and forever. I love her. She's going to get married and go away, but she'll always be there for us. No matter where she is, she'll always be in our hearts. And we are going to miss her, but I think she'll always be around us. I pray that she has a very happy married life. Knowing Shlok and his family sure will be. So I think at the end of the day, it's all going to be great.
ശ്രുതി ചേരും മൃദുഗീതം ഇനിയെന്നും വഴികാട്ടാൻ അകലത്തായി ഒരു താരം
I'm so thankful to have a papa like him. I don't think our days would be as easy as they are. He has never said no to us for even the silliest things or the most erratic things. He'll just be like, yes beta, done beta. Even like I have so many memories with him as well, but yeah, I think he is the backbone to the entire family. I think that he's even brought so much happiness to my side of the family, because I think uniting two families isn't as easy, but he has made it so smooth. He has made it so nice. I think even with far family members, I think that he's brought them also so close to us, by getting them all to this wedding. And I think he always tries to create such a special place for us. And I think he is our home, and I think he'll always be our home.
ही जिंद मेरी
I'm all fine. How are you?
All good, all good. Oh my God.
Congratulations. I was thinking you come right. How are you? Oh my God, sis.
मैं जाऊं जिस जगह तू हो हर उस जगह मैं वारी जाऊं तुम पे तो यार रह सदा तू ही जिंद मेरी तू ही जिंदगानी दिल हो या तेरे नाल सोनिए दिलदा है नाजुक मानो बहका साल हो मन का भी मिल ना पाए पल भर करार हो मिलकर मैं तुझको जाना सब्र का मकाम हो जलते चरागों में
I think honestly with people, how to judge a person's character better. I've learned from her how to be, a little less empathetic in situations where, it's not in like situations with people. I think she's taught me to be a better people person and a people handler.
तू ही जिंद मेरी तू ही जिंदगानी दिल होया तेरे नाल सोनिए तेरे साथ ही हूँ
I'm so happy that we have a Bahu like Simran coming in, and I'm expecting that the whole family will be complete now, and our little Lado will have a bhabi or a friend to live in with. Yeah, so I'm feeling happy.
तेरे बिना ना मुझे चैन ढोलना
I think because he's very calm as a person, and Simran is not at all calm, so I think they just balance each other out very well. So this is something that I've always thought of.
He's always there for me. Like, he's my safe space. Like, if I'm in a crowd or something and I know he's there, nothing can go wrong. Like, yeah, he's always been that pillar. And even if I need some advice, if I just want to talk it out, it's like a casual day. And I like how he just like comes into my room and we like talk. Like, I'm just on my bed and he just comes and we're like normally talking. Yeah, I usually don't need any social battery to be with him, which is one of the biggest things I appreciate about us.
Coming for a destination wedding, that too for 4 long days, is not a joke. Everyone who's been here, they all have work commitments in life. But for such a huge amount of people who's so close to us, for every single one of them who removed this time and came all the way here for us to celebrate Simran and I together with us, I'm really thankful to each and every one of you all. It really means a lot that you've been here, and I hope that we are not disappointing you guys in any way.
It has gone beyond what I imagined because everything went so smoothly and the flow was uneventful. So all in all, I would say it was beyond my imagination, definitely.
Welcome to Bangkok. Yes.
Exudes love. He's so easy to love and he loves so easily. As much as we have accepted him, he has accepted us.
Yeah.
Right? And he's done everything in his power, is, for lack of a better word, in his might, to ensure that he acknowledges each one of us one-on-one, yet has a collective relationship also with all of us. I mean, it goes to show how well he's been brought up.
Yeah.
The first impression when I met her, so we met at my club. We partied together. My first impression was she's gorgeous, drop dead gorgeous. But yeah, she's been an amazing person.
आँखें मिली तुमसे जो थी वो पल हंसी तुमसा गया है लाज़मी मेरी खुशी एहसास ये है जो नया
I love everything about her.
जाने कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने हाथ दागे हैं
We actually have a lot of mutual friends together, and we studied in the same school, but unfortunately we didn't know each other back then. I'm sure he knew of me, but we didn't really interact much. But yeah, mutual friends, we started texting, we started talking, and the talking did not stop. And I think that slowly turned into love. And I feel the best part about our relationship is our friendship, because I can be completely and totally myself. And I don't think that I have had the opportunity of being like that with anyone else but him. You know, with us, I feel like people have taken so much of their time and effort in coming. It's literally a big fat Indian wedding, and to take out so much time from work and, you know, from home, from kids, to actually be here and be so present, coming for each and every function, it's such a big thing. So I feel like having everyone here for every single function that was so well organized, but it was their presence that made it special. Because I think that, you know, you can have this, you know, the best of the best, but if you don't have your favorite people in front of you, besides you in those moments, it's always you know, something that you don't truly like enjoy your complete. But I feel like Shlok and I both have had so much fun because of our friends, because of our family. Like we've truly lived every single moment.
They have been hectic, but I'm enjoying it. Although I do get tired sometimes, but I look forward for the rest of the functions and for the events.
Don't want to say anything to her because she is the more confident dancer amongst us. I'm pretty sure she'll rock the stage, and I can't wait to see how she's looking.
When you don't realize you're in the moment until it's a memory. How it used to be, living for the ecstasy. Got this hunger to feel it again. Holding on to yesterday, but it seems so far away. Tell me, can we just go there again? I just can't stop. I just can't stop looking back, looking back, looking back. No matter what I do, I just can't stop looking back, looking back, looking back. Until it's a memory. Oh yeah.
She's looking drop dead gorgeous. Her outfit, I'm stunned. When I saw her on the photo shoot, for the first 5 minutes I lost consciousness because of how gorgeous, beautiful, impeccable, astonishing, and stunning.
So I think ever since Shlok has come into my life, I think my life has changed 360. I think my day starts with him, it ends with him. He is, I think, the person that calms me the most. I'm actually a very irrational person, if you all know me personally. But I think he brings the rational in me. So I love him, and yeah, I think he's the best part of me now. first started dating, I feel like we were still friends, but he was so shy. I was thinking that, he should ask me out first. Why is he not asking me out? So I used to think that, if I go and tell them that I love him, and if he denies it, it'll just be very stupid. So I waited, I very carefully waited. I strategically waited for him to ask me first. But at the end, I only did it.
उन्होंने कभी प्रपोज नहीं किया. हमारा अरेंज मैरिज है, प्यार मैरिज प्यार नहीं.
I love you. I need you badly. Will you marry me?
मैं सिमरन से शादी करना चाहता हूँ.
शादी? पर क्या तुम मेरी बेटी के काबिल हो? ये लो, 1 महीने में अपनी खुद की कमाई से इस बैग को भर दो.
आंटी 1 महीना थोड़ा लंबा होगा, अभी जीपे कर दूं क्या?
है?
I tell him that if I did not kiss him that day, we would not be married now. We would still be friends. And he laughs about it, but it is true.
Dropping down the bass line, the bass line, dropping. Here we go now. का महका नैनो का चाल तूने कस के फेंका अरे मैं भी तू भी ना कोई सूफी वूफी ले दूं ये भी वो भी जो तू मांगे पूकी रखना डोली सजा के हाथों में तू मेहंदी लगा के मेहंदी से न मिटेगा मेरा नाम जब तक इस जहां में मैं ही तेरा श्याम लेट्स गो
Shlok, when he came the first time, I mean, he was such a gentleman. He was so caring, so loving. And immediately the first thing he said was Dadi Ma, which really touched me so much. Until date, he is always that way. He is so thoughtful, not only for me, for the whole family, and also for Simran, of course. And we always want him to be part of our family.
पीछे पीछे आऊं ऐसे सावन में बरसे बरसे इश्क की बूंदे बनके जैसे सावन में बरसे बरसे इश्क की बूंदे बनके जैसे छोटी सी बिंदी और तेरा सांवला सा रंग मैं क्या बताऊं मुझको ये हाय हाय करता
Wishing you all the best, Simran and Shlok, for a very, very happy wedding and a happy and a wonderful honeymoon and a wonderful journey ahead.
For me, I feel like we are Team S. Now which
Yeah.
S you can choose.
He was a man. Simran made him a complete man.
I was very happy to meet her. I liked her. I told my son that you have a very good choice. She is loving, caring, and she will make you a very good man again.
मेरे को बेटी चाहिए थी, मिल गई.
How are you feeling right now? You are getting married.
ऐसा लगता है कि कल ही हमारी एंगेजमेंट हुई थी और अभी इतनी जल्दी 1 साल निकल गया वो बात को. We are already nearing our wedding. In a few hours I'll be officially married. Can't believe it's happening. Very excited. Lot of mixed emotions, but excitement tops all of the emotions.
बाकी सब लोग कहाँ चले गए मोहम्मद अहमद वगैरह सब क्या कमी
Yeah, so I'd really like to thank my father for everything that he has done. From day one till now, ever since the wedding, since we decided to have a destination wedding, he is literally a one-man army. He does everything himself. My idol and I always look up to him. And I wish I could have half the dedication he has, but I surely will someday and I'll make him.
Love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in. Just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time. When I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time.
Do what we do to all our दूल्हas at a wedding. कड़क है ना? अभी ऐसी भी वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद थोड़ी सी कसर हम भी पूरी कर देते हैं. Let's do it.
हाँ आज खुशी का दिन है सूट पहन के बन गए दूल्हा और सूट पहन के बन गए दूल्हा कल तक था जो नंगा घर वालों का नाम न लेना का नाम न लेना बच्चे डर जाएंगे सब पाएंगे
दोस्त आ जाए दोस्त
जहाँ पाएंगे पीट पीट के सभी सब 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 पाएंगे और चलो ढोल वाले बैंड बजा लगे आ जाओ love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in. Just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time. When I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time.
तेरी शादी में इंसिडेंट होगा पैसे देगा नक्की कैन यू अफोर्ड मी
आई थिंक प्यार से अफोर्ड कर पाऊंगा
चिंगम कर दूंगा मैं
अरे आगे झूठे क्या बात
So we know each other since almost 3 years now, and I think 3 years has just gone by so fast that this moment is feeling a little surreal to me. But yeah, 3 years now, so it's been good.
So, do you have any advice for Shlok?
For Shlok?
Yeah.
What advice do you have? Just keep saying yes to anything she asks. Like how you do it.
The first time I met Shlok, she's like, oh, we're going out. One friend of mine is going to take her. I was like, friend of yours? I was like, okay, what's her name? And then she's like, oh, Shlok. I was like, that's not sounding like a girl. So she's like, yeah, but we're friends, huh? And I was like, yeah. Very friendly.
There is a little bit of emotional sentiments that I kind of I don't know how to express it. It's no words can express.
I had some emotional feeling when I seen the Varmala happening, because at that time I truly missed Irfan, and I just felt his absence very strongly, and I just felt if he was there it would be different. But I'm sure he's looking down and smiling with a big smile, because Shlok has all the qualities that will keep my daughter happy. And what more can I have asked?
तेरे बिना आजकल जीना मुमकिन नहीं, तेरे बिना आजकल कैसी है जिंदगी।
I think that makes me feel, you know, so important and relevant in that moment. I truly like it.
तेरे बिना छूट जाए डोरिए जिंदगी की कहीं।
See, marriage is a big part of your life, but I feel like she's been my wife since the day we have been together. Like, I have always looked after her. I've always been in her best interest, supported her, encouraged her, whatever she wants to do. And I feel marriage is just me doing that for the rest of my life for her. And obviously, love being the most important part of our marriage. I think I'm just excited to finally get married to her.
तेरे बिना आजकल जीना मुमकिन नहीं, तेरे बिना आजकल कैसी है जिंदगी, तेरे बिना आजकल जीना मुमकिन नहीं, तेरे बिना छूट जाए डोरिए जिंदगी की कहीं।
Every moment around her is fun. We have had countless memories together. We have gone on n number of trips, drives. So every day I create new memories with her, and it's difficult to pick one memory because all my memories with her are, be it the good times, be it the sad times, everything around her just.
तेरे बिना छूट जाए डोरिए जिंदगी की कहीं।
I am Bimal Agarwal's daughter. I'm his first daughter and only daughter. So I'm gonna party like Bimal Agarwal today. My papa.
Big congratulations to the Agarwals and the Bandukwalas. Let's call the handsome groom and the gorgeous bride, Shlok and Simran.
ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने।
The best part of my proposal was that I remember my entire family had come to his house, and it was the first time that we had, you know, come as an entire family together to meet his family. When Baba asked him, he immediately took me to his room and he went down on his knees and he asked me that, you know, like, do you want to marry me? And I was so excited. I didn't even take a second. I said yes, like, you know, let's do this. For me, it was a very surprising moment because I think a lot, I overthink a lot, but I think this is the easiest yes I've ever said.
के तू जो समाई मजा आ गया। कि चाहत है बस तुमको पाने की, वाह तो कर दो अपने लिए। कुछ और तमन्ना नहीं इस दीवाने की, विमल भाई के चाहत है बस तुमको पाने की, कुछ और तमन्ना नहीं इस दीवाने की, तुमसे नहीं खुदा से शिकायत है मुझे, क्या जरूरत थी तुम सबको इतना खूबसूरत बनाने की। मुझे हीरो से मतलब क्या मेरा मौला हीरा यारों ने मेरे वास्ते कहा कुछ नहीं किया 100 बार शुक्रिया 100 बार शुक्रिया 100 बार शुक्रिया 100 बार शुक्रिया तुम जैसे दोस्तों का सहारा है दोस्तों तुम जैसे दोस्तों का सहारा है दोस्तों ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों Everybody ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा
What is the secret of a successful?
सब मेरे मूड पे और मेरे माइंड पे डिपेंड्स करता है बस जैसा मेरा मूड है वैसे मैं इसको चलाती हूँ
हाँ 21 सालों से बीवी की उंगलियों पे नाच रहा हूँ
Be careful of all his pranks. Don't fall for them. He will try convincing you it's not him, but it's him.
बना संहारो केसरियो हजारी गुलिरो फूल हजारी गुलिरो फूल बनो सनो निजिरा लाल बना बना संहारो केसरियो हजारी गुलिरो फूल हजारी गुलिरो फूल बनो सनो निजिरा लाग
प्यारी है so beautiful
धीरी मारी मारी से में धीरी मारी मारी से मेरे सायब जी मारा
I think Simran, you should always know one thing, that your brother is there for you no matter what life throws at us. I think we'll always be together. You always have a home here. You have to never worry about that no matter what happens. So I know I keep teasing you that, oh, I wish you go fast, but that's the absolute opposite in my mind. I don't know how I'm going to live without you in this house. It's going to be very difficult, but we'll find a way to work through it. And yeah, just always know that you have a place here forever and ever. Love you.
You color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire. Touching your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Look what we found. Karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom wild. We are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Sapphire, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body.
Are we ready? We are super ready.
हम लोग आए बंदूक लेकर, बंदूक वाला।
बंदूक मेरी लैला
श्लोक तो कब का हमारा है।
आप बंदूक की गोली हो, ये बिमल भाई का परिवार तोप का गोला है।
3, 2 and 1. Amazing, amazing, but जोरदार तालियां हो. Can we hear it for the Gandhis? ऐसी वीना जी ने ऐसी सीटियां बजाई, मोदी साहब खुद वीडियो बनाने आ गए.
जलने वाले जलते रहेंगे, पर ये जलजला नहीं रुकने देंगे। तू देश नहीं झुकने देना, हम तुझे नहीं झुकने देंगे।
भारत माता की जय। When we get together, gonna be good vibe, keeps on getting better. We can watch the sunrise. Been a hard time, but I keep trying, keep on walking that road. Been a long night, but I'm still fighting. I'm not staying down low. I'm pushing past the edge. I see the light ahead. Saw the dark side, but the sun is rising. I'm not giving up hope. It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day, sweet like honey. It's a good day coming. Gonna keep on running. Won't stop for nothing. It's a good day, good day, good day. It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. Feeling alright. The world is changing right now, ready or not. Gonna take flight and reawaken the dreams I never forgot. Flipping the script today. I'm going all the way. It's about time. I'm done waiting. Sunshine coming in hot. It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day, sweet like honey. It's a good day coming. Keep on running. Won't stop for nothing. It's a good day, good day, good day. When we get together, gonna be good vibes. We can do whatever. Gonna be good times. Yeah, it's been forever. Let's go get that high life. Keeps on getting better. We can watch the sun. It's a good day coming. Get together. Gonna be good vibes. We can do whatever. Gonna be good times. Yeah, it's been forever. Let's go get that high life. Keeps on getting better. We can watch the sunrise. Good day coming. It's a good day coming. Get together. Gonna it's a good day. You can do whatever. Gonna it's a good day. It's been forever.
I'm happy with everything and God bless them and they should complete all their life very nicely, peacefully, with happiness. Fulfill all their wishes and go ahead.
My head is stuck in the clouds. She begs me to come down, says, boy, quit fooling around. I told her I love the view from up here. Warm sun and wind in my ear. Will watch the world from above as it turns to the rhythm of love. We may only have tonight, but till the
never like that on the beach. I'm cribbing and he's just walking.
all mine. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Well, my heart beats like a drum, a guitar string to the strum.
I would advise both my daughter and my son-in-law Shlok that just respect each other and be consistent in your behavior with each other, and thinking likewise and sitting across the table and sorting out things even in the tough times. Like sometimes you do get angry with certain things, but just communicate. Communication is so important in a relationship, and maintaining the friendship and adjusting and compromising wherever required. So as a couple, give 100%, wherein sometimes you will need to give 60% and Simran will need to give 40%, and sometimes Simran will need to give 90% and Shlok can only give 10%. But in all, keep the 100% equation going on.
When the moon is low, we can dance in slow.
What a way to celebrate the first Valentine together. This just says that love is pure, and the Valentine Day means a lot to everybody. So I wish you good luck and happiness.
I think I want to take this moment to thank everyone who's come for this wedding. I think this wedding wouldn't be possible without you guys.
Yesterday in the night, I was just thinking, and it suddenly hit me. How am I going to be and how am I going to live my life without you?
All the best. Blessings to the lovely couple. God bless them.
Shlok, welcome to the Mad family. Like the mad family.
We say that your partner is your better half. I believe that she is the best half.
Oh, as a toast to the couple.
We may only have tonight, but till the morning sun, you're mine, all mine. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Yes, sway to the rhythm of
Respect one another, trust one another, and believe in one another. That is the greatest thing. And the rest will all fall in place and all.
Georgia, write me up and all I want you in my arms, let me hold you and never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
We were in Thailand and I told him, I said, you need to experience coming on a jet ski with me. And I promised him I will not drop him. But in the next 10 minutes, the jet ski was upside down. We were in the water and Shlok had told me he does not know how to swim. So I'm in the water and I'm screaming for help, and this man is adjusting his specs in the water. He is holding his phone up, absolutely calm, and I'm looking at him. I say, we can, die here. Like, why are you not reacting the way I am? He's saying, it's fine, babe. What has to happen will happen. And I was like, so I think this was the most funniest, because I remember getting back on the jet ski and he was just laughing at me, and I think that was one of a very special moment. But I don't think he's getting on a jet ski with me again. So yeah.
And I must thank Nimratji. It was the first thing he told me, that you don't worry. I will take the part of Irfan, and for me that was very overwhelming. I don't want to be emotional. I promised my daughter I will not cry. But for me, her marriage is of course happiness, but at the same time, my rock is fallen off. My rock is going to be with me forever. She's been the rock since the time Irfan passed away. And every decision that I took has been with her. So all my issues in my life, she's really stood by me, and she's been an anchor to me, and she has promised me that she'll always be. So love you, Susan. I'm going to really, really miss you. But I'm so happy that I got a son in Shlok.
Best wishes. Love you guys. Mwah.
ਛੜਦੀ ਆ ਭਾਫਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਨਾ ਨਖਰੋ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਦਵਾਉਣਾ ਨਖਰੋ ਲੀਆਂ ਚ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਬੜੇ ਕੰਡੇ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਇਨਾ ਸੋਚੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲਾ ਕੋਣਾ ਨਖਰੋ ਨਖਰੇ ਨਵਾਬੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਯਾਰ ਤੇਰਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਤੂੰ ਦਵਾਈ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਤਵਾਹੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਦੁਬਈ ਦੇ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਤੇਰੀ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਜਾਰਡਨ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਦੀ ਨਾ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੜਿਆ ਨੀ ਕੱਪ ਲਾਲ ਰੰਗ ਦਾ ਸੁੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਐ ਸੁੱਕ ਸਕਿਨ ਜੀਨਸ ਓਵਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੋਰੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪੁਆੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਛੱਡੂ ਅੱਜ ਕੁੜੀ ਇਹ ਪੀਆ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਨਾ ਟੈਮ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਨੱਚ ਗਾਡੈਮ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੇਖੇ ਬਾਰੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਸਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੜਦੀ ਚੁਬਾਰੇ ਪੌੜੀ ਉੱਤਰੇ ਫਰਾਰੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਖਰੇ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਹ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨਖਰੋ ਏਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਓਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਆਕੜੇ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਯਾਰ ਵੀ ਪਰੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਸਪੇਨ ਤੋਂ ਤੇ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਓਏ ਦੇਖਾ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਮਾਨੇ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੂਰੀ ਆ ਕੇ ਪੁਆੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਛੱਡੂ ਅੱਜ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਾਲਾ ਸੂਟ ਪਾਇਆ ਵਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਐ ਕੈ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਨੱਚ ਗਾਡੈਮ skinny jeans, oversized hoodie ਆ ਕੇ ਪੁਆੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਛੱਡੂ ਅੱਜ ਕੁੜੀ ਇਹ ਪੀਆ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਨਾ ਟੈਰੀ ਬੜੀ ਕਿਆ ਸ਼ੁਕੋਏ ਬਾਦਸ਼ਾਹ let's go ਆਜਲਾ ਨੀ ਆਜਲਾ god damn धीरे से यादों का देना पड़े